Alright, what is up guys? So, this is going to be a tour of the crosswalk buttons on MacKenzie and on Gravois. Anyways, let's begin. Here we go.
Wait to cross Afton High School at MacKenzie Road. Wait. Afton High School.
Alright, on to the next row of crosswalk buttons.
Wait. Cross Weber Road at MacKenzie Road. Wait. Cross Weber Road at MacKenzie Road. Wait. To cross Weber Road at MacKenzie Road. Wait.
I think the button's gonna go out. Let's see. Oh. It will go out in a minute. Just like change screen. I can see it changing, but we're gonna focus on the button. Oh. When is this thing gonna go out? There it goes.
Wait. Cross Weber Road at MacKenzie Road. Wait.
Alright, on to the next row of crosswalk buttons. Who's Gravois? Push. Let's hold again.
Wait. Cross Gravois at MacKenzie. Wait. Cross Gravois at MacKenzie. Wait.
Let's watch the button go out. Actually, it might not go out. Because that light's green and this light's red. See? Let's put this in the speaker so you can hear it.
Wait. Cross Gravois at MacKenzie. Wait. Cross Gravois at MacKenzie. Wait. Cross Gravois at MacKenzie.
So every time you push this, listen to this.
Wait.
It says wait. Oh look, crossover buttons connected. We'll see those after this. Man, this traffic light and crosswalk is long.
wheat, wheat.
Look, goes.
Gravois at MacKenzie. Wheat,
Yeah, it does this when you hold it in.
wheat. Cross Gravois at MacKenzie. Gravois.
Oh, there we go. Look at this. Let's do this. Let's do this on camera. Here we go. They put some things on here because it's been hanging. They put this steel thing on here. Let's watch this go out. I don't know why it's beeping like that. Oh, it's because I pushed 2 buttons. See? Button lights are lit up. Listen. This button's broken. Alright, on to the next row, crosswalk buttons. I had to demonstrate that one. Alright, on to the next row, crosswalk buttons. Well, this is the last row that we're gonna do. Alright, here we go. There's the Clubhouse Bar and Grill. There's Emo's Pizza and Bank of America. There's AutoZone. There's the Canteen 9 Mile. Hello. I'm just taking a tour of the crosswalk buttons. There's the repair shop right there. There's Jimmy John's, Dollar Tree. There's wine, spirits, and beer. There's Smoothie King. There's the Rooftop Church. Hey. What? Well, I'm just taking a tour. I live over there. Are you walking with me?
Yeah, I live over here, so.
Oh, you live over there. This is Gravois, right?
Yeah.
Look at that. Emergency signal. You know what that means? And you don't go when it's coming. Bye. Wait, what's your name? What? Nathan? Oh. Okay. Alright, let's pause. There's Halpo's Pest and Animal Solutions. There's Mutton Tax Services. There's the Rooftop Church again. Oh, didn't get it on the frame. There's Fred's South County Auto Repair. There's Quick Trip, and there's Circle K right there. 263 for gas. Wow, that was weird. Alright, let me pause. Alright, here we go. Let's do this.
Wait. Gravois. Walk sign is on to
Still
cross.
vibrating.
Gravois. Gravois. Walk sign is on. Wait. 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 Whipper at Gravois at Whipper.
I think this is gonna go out. Oh. It was on, so this won't go out
Wait.
until
Wait.
it's on yield.
Wait. Wait. Cross Whipper. Wait at Gravois. Cross Gravois at Whipper. Wait. 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 Cross Whipper at Gravois. Wait.
I think this is gonna go off because the arrow's going away. Let's see. My
Whipper.
oh shoot! Oh man, I have to run! Because that crosswalk kept going out. Oh, this is flashing. Oh, it stopped.
Wait. Cross Whipper at Gravois.
What's this?
Wait. 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 Cross Gravois at Whipper. Wait. 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 Cross Gravois at Whipper. Wait. 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 To cross Gravois at Whipper.
Look this way.
Wait. Wait. To cross Gravois at Whipper. Wait. Wait.
I think it's gonna go out. Let's see. No. That's going.
Wait. Wait. To cross Gravois at Whipper. Wait. 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 Cross Gravois at Whipper. Wait. Wait. Gravois.
Oh, here we go. There's a traffic light right there.
Wait. Wait. Cross Gravois at Elgin.
This one says different. These say Elgin, those say Weber. Alright. This one's crooked.
Wait. Wait. Cross Elgin at Elgin.
Oh. Change right away.
Cross Elgin at Gravois. Cross Gravois at Elgin.
Alright, thank you guys for watching. That was a video of the crosswalk buttons on MacKenzie and Gravois. Thanks for watching.